Alright, YouTube, so the old yacht here's got about foot and a half of water in it. Every alarm's going off in it. We'll go inside, take a gander down here. Got standing water in the whole boat. Owner's coming down here to check it out. Shit's gonna hit the fan, that's for sure. The water just goes all the way back. Engines are underwater.
Batteries are underwater?
One of them is, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Go down, she's trying.
There's something down there.
It looks like these people unplugged the boat and then left it. And, you know, not your usual little Carolina skiff that's sinking here. It's quite a boat here that might sink right in the marina. Pretty sweet. Came down here to enjoy a beer after work on it, and that is not happening.